back to Kangana Ranaut, who's been taking out a series of tweets against Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Once again, in her tweet, she says, and I quote, "Sanjay Raut called me haramkhor. Now Uddhav has called me namak haram. He is claiming I won't get food in my state if Mumbai does not give me shelter. Shame on you. I'm your son's age. This is how you speak to a self-made single woman. Chief Minister, you are the worst product of nepotism." That is Kangana Ranaut in her latest reaction, hitting out at Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. This after his Dussehra address, wherein while he did not name Kangana Ranaut, he did indirectly take a sly jab at her. And once again, responding to that tweet, we have Amandeep also joining us with more details. Amandeep, not just one tweet, but we've seen back-to-back series of tweets that have been put out by Kangana Ranaut, not taking at hand what is being sent out by Uddhav Thackeray, what is being said by him, once again hitting back.
Yes, exactly. Kangana is rightly replying and attacking the Uddhav Thackeray just because the last evening, the way they have mentioned, and in fact, the way they have come out with the speech on the Dussehra celebration, Kangana is reminding them. In fact, earlier this, Kangana also tweeted that Himachal is a bhumi. Himachal is a land of temples, the way Maharashtra government quoted it as a drug factory. And now Kangana is also coming out just because it is a dignity of Kangana. She came out of Himachal and survived in Mumbai. She became a star in Mumbai. And in fact, she made the Maharashtra proud with her movies and in fact with her all the acts. And in fact, Kangana is more known by a Mumbai star instead of Himachal star. So why the Uddhav Thackeray government is trying to bifurcate the things? Why they are putting it like Kangana is an enemy of this. And in fact, Kangana survived anywhere. And in fact, this is a rule of nation. Any person of this nation can survive anywhere. So Kangana is rightly pointing out. And in fact, the Sanjay Raut mentioned Kangana is haramkhor. And now the other comments are coming against the Kangana. I think that Women Commission should come out and in fact take a cognizance of this statement and put notice to Maharashtra government, put a notice and in fact to take the strict action against all those who are speaking and openly in a public address they are speaking against a woman and they are challenging the dignity of women who has achieved by herself. Yes.
Absolutely. So, series of tweets being taken out by her, and this comes immediately after Chief Minister's Dussehra address, wherein he did indirectly hit out at Kangana Ranaut the kind of comments that were made by her over the past few months. Let's take our viewers through the tweet she'd put out a few hours back, wherein she'd also said, and I quote, "Just how beauty of Himalayas belongs to every Indian. Opportunities that Mumbai offers also belong to each one of us. Both are my homes. Uddhav Thackeray, don't you dare try and snatch our democratic rights and divide us. Your filthy speeches are a vulgar display of your incompetence," unquote. That is Kangana Ranaut a short while back, close to an hour back, taking to Twitter, hitting out the Chief Minister. Amandeep continues to be with us. Amandeep, it's not just, Chief Minister. The Chief Minister has now broken his silence over the kind of remarks that were made by Kangana Ranaut. But it is Sanjay Raut who's been leading the verbal attacks as per the Shiv Sena is concerned. The Chief Minister has also now broken his silence, once again has hit out at her, but Kangana Ranaut has made it very clear, be it Sanjay Raut, be it Anil Deshmukh, be it Uddhav Thackeray, she will respond to each and every allegation that is being levelled by anyone from the Mahavikas Aghadi.
Yes, exactly. But we are given to understand by the statements continuously coming out from the Maharashtra government, even if it's Sanjay Raut or Uddhav Thackeray, they are trying to press the Kangana. Just because Kangana is an outspoken girl, she always counter and confront every statement and every act since day one, since her office was demolished by the Maharashtra government. She was outspoken. She was continuously attacking, and she is fighting for her rights, exactly. And in fact, she is still on the same line. That's why she is replying every tweet. She is replying every statement in a right manner, and she is raising the valid points. In fact, if you read the tweets that Kangana mentioned, that Himalaya is a land of temples, and which was quoted by the Maharashtra government, it was a ganja factory. It was not at all a ganja factory. Himalaya is a land of fruits and the temples. In fact, people have certain kind of respect for the Himalayas. And second point is why
for the Himalayas. And second point is why to bifurcate? Why to put it in a difference, state versus state? We are staying in one nation, and all the citizens of this nation can survive anywhere in this country. So they are trying to differentiate the statewide, and in fact Kangana is rightly mentioning everything. Now it's the time to come up with the action kind of process. Now Kangana is fighting this
Oh yes, because you know she is one person who since day one, Amandeep, has been extremely vocal, be it Mumbai Police's failed investigation in the SSR case, be it the illegal demolition of her office in Mumbai, be it any of those verbal attacks that were unleashed by leaders of the Mahavikas Aghadi. She has refused to step back. She will hit out at each and every attack that is being made by any of these leaders. Many thanks, Amandeep. For the moment, we leave it at that.